Sit. Speak. 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 And now they just pretty much slip in. It's very, 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 very...
40,000 likes to do 24 hours in there?
Oh gosh. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. As you saw by the title and thumbnail, it's a little bit different of a video. I've never filmed a video of my dogs, but today Hector and I are going to be building a custom doghouse. I'm not kidding, it's gonna be awesome. Also, next video, got my filter, got my pump, got a bunch of sand, some driftwood, and got an empty 1,000 gallon aquarium. So if you just add everything up in your brain, you know what the next video is. Those two are who we're building this doghouse for today. So let me introduce them. I'm gonna throw you back about a week ago when we started this project. We got Mia right here, who is always just not camera shy at all. And then we got Koa over here. That's V. Koa, he's scared of everything. Hi, Koa. Hi, buddy. Anyway, we need to make them something right here. Now they have their other one. This is what they've been staying in, obviously, this cage right here. I wanna put them in the cage real quick just so you get an idea how big it is. Come on. Now it shows the size. Otherwise you would never understand it, but yeah. All right, you guys are good, come on. But I wanted to make something nicer, you know? More like a homey. I don't know, I didn't want them in the room all the time. This is where we're gonna build a custom doghouse. But I'm gonna show you every material you need to do this exact project and how much everything costs. That way, if you wanna do it yourself or with your family as a project, whatever it may be, you have the opportunity to do so. Let's go check on our guy Hector out here. Let's see what he's doing. The vibe, but I got to. Hector.
Yes, sir.
How we looking? Oh, we're doing the same thing as when we built the pond, huh?
Yep.
This is the same thing we did when we built the pond. These are gonna go on the sides, yep. So how big is it in length? It's like 72?
72 by 42.
72 long, 42 inches wide. Fogging up again. And then this high, so, you know, about up to my hip. One for each dog, so there's a cage for each dog and there's gonna be split down the middle. And here is what we're gonna be cutting to use as the bars down the middle. Now let me give you an example picture so you understand what I'm talking about. Here's the picture. Well, obviously we're gonna do our own colors, our own touches. We're gonna switch it up and make it our own. So as Hector works on at least the base of it, we actually bought little feet for it, so it's elevated off the ground, and a lot more. I'm gonna send you to Home Depot, where we bought all this. How do all these people have so much energy, man? I'm just waking up. Here's the little feet for it right here. This is gonna go on the corners and then it'll be sitting, you know, elevated off the ground. This is gonna be really cool. I've never done a video like this. Hector and I have done many projects on this channel, like a lot. You know, many pond builds, many different things. Never built a doghouse, so this is something we've never done. Hector, have you ever built a doghouse?
This is the fourth one.
First one for Hector too. All right, roll the montage, here we go. We gotta blur that music though, cause I'll get copyright. So we are inside now, and this is the doghouse. As you can see, one dog, two dog. These are the little corner pieces that I was talking about, which are used as our support. What do you think, Hector?
Well, it looks beautiful.
Gonna look good?
Yeah, man.
There is the next one right there. And if you look over here, he has them all four of them made already. Just a little 2x3s side by side and drilled together. Use the drill bit first so you don't crack the wood, right?
Mm-hmm.
It is going to look so good though. Look at Ferret's Kingdom over here. Ollie, he's sleeping back there. We're literally gonna complete that. That thing is huge. It's like building another pond. That's really all it is, right? At the end of the day. All the lines are marked. And as simple as this. Look at that.
Then we going
Oh yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
It's like 5'8".
And this is where they'll all go. And then the same thing at the top too. And then the poles are just kind of sticking. But pretty much Hector's just drilling a bunch of holes every, how many inches?
4.
Every 4 inches.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Lots of holes. pretty much build your frame. Top piece is separate than your bottom piece, and you get your 4 legs that I showed you how they were built before, those little L shapes. These guys right here. Drill them onto the main frames, and then we just drilled holes along each side, all the way down the back, and then all through here, and vice versa down the whole thing. But check this out. These posts we're gonna be obviously painting black. Metal, not wood, because dogs like to chew wood, so we actually bought metal pieces to go inside here as well. Any corners, and then we'll obviously spray the rest of it with anti-chewing spray. Oh, just like that. Right in. Look at that. There's only 3 of them in right now, but I mean, imagine that. There it is right there, that line, 32.5 inches.
What?
Now they just pretty much slip in. It's very, 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 very self-explanatory.
In that bottom hole?
And that looks awesome.
I come back tomorrow, man.
Oh, you're done?
No, when I finish.
Oh. I am currently in the doghouse. I didn't know that was a centerpiece. I forgot about that. This is awesome. So once these are painted, because we couldn't find any black pipes, we're gonna paint all these black. I can't wait to see the whole back with them and all the center and all these. And you guys have a new home on the way. You know that? Koa, what? Sit. Give me a paw. Good boy. Spin. Spin. Good boy. Sit. Speak. 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 Louder. Koa. Speak. Hey, there you go. Good boy. I need to get you a treat now. Koa here. Good boy. Woo! Let me tell ya. This is what we look like the next morning. Now, I didn't film. We ran out of these little pipe things, so we got to buy 2 more. But that'll fill our last 4 holes. Like literally 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more holes. Every other hole has a piece in it. We will be painting all these black, by the way. It's going to be a very difficult task to paint. As you can see, this we didn't want actually with bars. We just forgot. So the plan is to actually just put a piece of plywood on the back, but it'll still give it a cool look with those bars there. So yeah, there'll be a piece of plywood on the back here that'll kind of enclose it, and the bars will just kind of be in there still, if that makes sense. It looks awesome. These are the doors. And that's a doggy door. There it is, just like that. That's the door. We'll have handles on the door with the lock down here and a lock up here. It's gonna look absolutely amazing. I like how the bars are sideways on the door. It makes it look a little bit different. Kind of looks like a jail cell right now. It literally looks like a doggy cell. But just don't worry about that, because I promise you, by the time we are done, it's going to look amazing. And then to top it off, you know, once the top's on, everything's painted, we'll get some plants and make it a homey feeling doghouse. Just wanted to update you guys. This is what we're looking like. It's a very simple build. You just make the top, make the bottom. We have 1 post here, 1 post there, and our 4 corner pieces. And then we just added these 2 right here, and the doors go right there. Tasty.
We have to put 2 coats.
Beautiful.
No, handsome, guapo, chulo.
Chulo.
Yeah.
Your boy's busy. Got a lot of errands to run today. Like very, very busy day. So I'm gonna leave Hector with the GoPro. He's gonna film whatever he does while I'm gone for the couple hours, and then I'll be back.
Okay. And then we can put other screws. Okay. Over here. We have space at the bottom.
I am back. I don't know what kind of footage Hector got, but I hope it's good. Hector, you did good?
Yeah, man.
He said he got a lot, so. It looks amazing. So what I see, at least, that he's done is the top piece of plywood. We actually left a little ledge off right here. So we left it hanging on the front side and this side right here. So it's only going over right here. right here and right there. This side is flush and so is that side because it goes up against the wall. It looks amazing. Now we're looking like a doghouse. We got our hinges both on, our doors are on, and our locks on the bottom and top are on. Well, the top one's getting on now. There's a lot of space in there. It's like 10 times the size I thought it was gonna be. And the cool part is the dogs could see and actually touch each other, literally. But they can't fight, and that's the main reason why we split them. I just got back, so let's let them out. Hi guys, so you guys actually like to fight a lot when you're in the cage together. You'll no longer be in the cage together. You'll have your own cages, but come on. There they go. I just went and picked up the roller, another brush, the paint that we're gonna use to paint it. It's that color right there. It's really cool. It's a really nice green, which is different than the rest of the house. Our kitchen's like this black and white. Our living room has this like yellowish but tan, Western modern vibe. I want to get their own name tags on the doors too. And we are not even close to being done yet. Well, we're kind of close, but we're not like there yet. I'm gonna go inside so I get a good view. Dude, it's so big in here I could sit. Hey Mia, come on in. Come on, Mimi. Come here. Come on. No, Hector, please. Don't lock us out. He locked us out. Although I could just go like this because I'm a human. He's got these metal corners going on the wood because, oh, look at that fit. That is a perfect fit. Because dogs like to chew corners of wood. This is the first video I think I've ever made on YouTube of a dog. Like, of the dogs.
Come on, Paul. It's time to go out. Pipi caca.
I'll do the same on this one, the same on this one, the same on the top and bottom of the doors. The real question is, should we open up a custom doghouse building company? Would you buy this? Let me know. I'll tell Hector and he'll start a business. Thing is quick. All right, so Hector and the boys are still working. We were going to initially, if you remember, put it all on these little feet, but it became so much like bigger and heavier than we thought. So we just decided that's a no-go. So we're gonna go return all of these feet. Although we could do 8 feet, we're just gonna leave it flat. It looks good just right on the ground like that. But they're still working on the metal on all the edges, and that's gonna be a complete doghouse without paint. Everything else will be done now.
Mr. Sonny, he already painted this side and inside. You see?
We are back at the house. It looks amazing. Like, I love this color. It definitely switches it up a little bit. The doors are off right now because everything was still drying. I mean, painted this, all the metal on the inside, all the metal that was on these sides and stuff, and we painted the bars black because we couldn't find black bars. If we found black bars, it would have been a hell of a lot easier. And then I got dog beds right here to go inside. That's one that's still sealed. This is one that's not. And as you can see, the dogs like it. This is gonna be the first time going in, so the beds will be in there today, the doors will be back on there, and it's gonna be a complete doghouse. Let's cut on open this bag. Listen to this, because it's sealed. When I just make a hole. Dog bed! So they got matching beds in that brown color, which is nice, kind of goes with the whole house theme. We're gonna put this one in here. Look how much space this is. I'm in a jail cell. But this is literally big, and it looks amazing with the bed.
40,000 likes to do 24 hours in there?
Oh gosh, dude, don't do that to me. How many?
Only 40,000.
40,000? All right, Cuffaros. 40,000 likes, and I'm gonna spend 24 hours inside the doghouse. If you wanna see it, smash the like button. This is exactly what happened when I had to spend 24 hours on the dock, and we did it. So 40,000 likes, and I'll spend 24 hours in this thing right here. Are you gonna at least feed me through the cage?
No.
How am I gonna eat?
I'll get maybe like one of those things for hamsters sticking on the side.
I gotta drink out of the hamster thing. At least I'll have good beds to sleep in if we get 40,000 likes.
No, you don't get either of those.
Oh, no beds?
No beds.
This is bad. So both beds are in, and it kind of looks like it's all one. It just like goes together. They can still interact and see each other through here. Again, metal is on all these corners. Come on. Moment of truth, right, Logan?
Si, senor.
Let's see. And then we'll push it back into the corner here in a sec. Koa loves that side. He just completely went the opposite side that I said I thought he would. Koa, buddy! Koa, Mimi, go, look, Mimi, go! Oh, look at that. Oh, they're both going in there. This really shows the size, how big these are, because both dogs are in here right now, and look at that. Look at, like, the size of this cage is crazy. What do you guys think of your new house? They're like looking around. Look at Koa. He's like, what the heck? Mia's sniffing. Look how cute that face is. All right, well, you guys both got a new mansion, and it wasn't cheap. Thanks to the Cuffaros for always hitting the like button, subscribing and stuffs. They got you this. You guys hear me? Mia said, what? This is it. The doghouse is almost complete. We're gonna throw the doors on it here in just a little bit, and we'll be 100%. What do you think, buddy? What? Oh, now we need to push this to the corner. So in just a snap of a finger, that will be in the corner. Here we go. There it is, into the corner of the house. Fits just perfect. I got some tape to remove. Just got, oh, it pulled the black paint off. That's not good. Doghouse is almost done. All we gotta do is get these doors and all of these hinges right here back onto the house. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. Check it out. This is the doghouse. New litter for the cats on the side of it. Up top we have the cat food, you know that. I got this as well, like a little thing to hang their collars or whatever. I also want to put their names right here at some point eventually. Ollie, buddy, has just one part of his house. Since it's big, it's massive. We just put a piece up here since, I kid you not, the only time he's in his house is when he's knocked out cold sleeping. So in that case, we're just literally gonna put him in here. He'll sleep, he'll drink, he'll eat, whatever. And then the rest of the time he's running around the house. So there's no point to have that giant cage in the corner taking up all the space, although we still have the other half, just in case. Mia, you're trying to go in your house or something, right? Here. Go. Again, any of you watching could easily do this at home with just a couple hours of work, although we kind of spread it out throughout like a 4-day project. Hence why I was probably wearing a different shirt like 10 different times in this video. Mia already got to it. Unfortunately, she chewed the one part we didn't put metal on, but I figured that was gonna happen, honestly. You can see the metal's right there, couldn't get through it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have not subscribed, subscribe right now. Subscribe down below. Smash the like button. 40,000 likes. I'm spending 24 hours on this thing. I know, it's horrible to say, but I'm not kidding. 40,000 likes, I'll be in the bottom of this dog cage for 24 hours. Custom doghouse, complete. Peace!